Subaru sports car. May bagong open na dealership dito sa Angeles City. Punta lang tayo sa showroom. 2025 Subaru BRZ EyeSight Automatic. Yung price, 2,719,000 pesos. Maganda naman yung front fascia, para siyang nakasmile. Naka-projector LED headlamps with DRL. Wala nga lang fog light, pero may air curtain for aerodynamics. Body color side mirror cover. Walang camera for 360 view. Nasa side ng front bumper yung turn signal light. 18-inch alloy wheels. Naka-Brembo ventilated disc brake sa front and rear wheels. May side fender vent na functional. Hindi lang masyadong halata, pero maganda yung shape or pagka-curve ng rocker panel. Mababa yung ground clearance, pero normal naman para sa ganitong sports car. May keyless or smart entry touch sensor. Check natin yung interior. Naka-frameless window. Suede and leather seats. Manual adjustment sa driver. Same sa front passenger. Hindi rin mahirap pumasok. Sa door panel, suede material. Padded leather naman sa armrest. Side mirror control and power window switch na automatic. 3-spoke leather wrap steering wheel. May paddle shifters. Plastic pero mukhang okay naman yung quality. Tilt and telescopic adjust yung steering column. Gusto ko yung ganitong style ng gauge cluster, hindi lang siya plain screen. Pagdating sa visibility, mababa yung ride height. Yung bulge na lang sa side ng hood yung visible. Hindi rin sobrang kapal ng A-pillar, kaya less blind spot. Naka-cover ng suede yung part na to ng dash. Soft touch naman tong dashboard. May vanity mirror with light yung sun visor. Same sa front passenger. 8-inch infotainment screen. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, matte yung screen nito, kaya hindi siya reflective or fingerprint magnet. Push start ignition. Dual zone climate control. Hindi lang naka-on, pero may screen yung mismong knob. Maganda rin yung quality ng knob. Premium and tactile yung feel. Mukhang pang manual yung design ng gear shifter, pero 6-speed automatic transmission to. Okay yung position ng handbrake, malapit siya sa driver. May traction control and drive mode select. Equipped to ng heated seats. Hindi ko lang sure kung useful ba to sa Pinas. Okay naman yung cushion ng center armrest. Check natin yung storage. May 2 cup holders with 2 USB-A port at aux input. Dampen yung glove box. Check natin yung back seat. Maliit lang yung opening. Sinagad ko na rin yung pagka-forward ng driver seat. Hindi ko na itatry pumasok kasi sa tingin pa lang, hindi na ako kasya. Sa opinion ko lang, maganda yung design ng rear end. Gusto ko rin yung ganitong style na ducktail spoiler. LED taillight. May reverse camera. Parking sensor. Dual exhaust tips. May trunk release button dito sa black trim. Check natin yung storage space. May full-size spare wheel. Sports car to, kaya expect nyo na medyo maliit lang yung cargo space. Check natin yung engine. Naka 2.4 liter naturally aspirated boxer engine. Same engine sa GR86. Pwedeng mag-test drive pero by schedule nga lang. Palike na lang and subscribe. Paalam.